friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some super cute DIY / princessy decorating hacks for your room and stuff, and it's going to be really cool. So please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get started! So, one way to decorate princessy and kawaii is to collect vintage things or vintage looking things. Like I have this cute little radio that looks very vintage, or I have these antiques that look very princessy and vintage. Little sheeps, little kittens, little twin stars, you know. And look, there's my little plant. Oh my goodness, I have to show you my other plant. Also guys, look at my new plant. Oh my gosh, it's zoomed in, hold on. This is my new plant. What should we name it? And then I put one of the broken parts of the other plant in here, but it's not surviving very well. But we got this plant that's surviving very well, so yeah. One thing you could also do is put some cute decorative pieces, like these little sparkly crystals, in antique bowls and things, like I'm doing here. I like to fill it up and make it look really cute. Kind of looks like, I don't know, just like a bowl of crystals. And it's decorative. I don't know. I thought it was cute. So yeah, you do that, and sometimes you can even add other cute objects like bigger crystals and sparkly things, or like jewelry and stuff. So yeah. Another cute thing you could do is put crystals and ostrich feathers, or just fluffy feathers, anywhere. I have this cute vase of ostrich feathers that looks very Marie Antoinette and elegant. And some more feathers up here, and pearls, and just anything very elegant-y. Yeah, hi. You can also paint some art in pastel colors. Here's a little painting I did of kind of a pushing, but kind of not, kind of just me being artistic and blending the pastel colors all together, looking really pretty and kawaii and princessy. So yeah. Kind of did the same thing with this picture too, where I took a picture of Roger Taylor and put it on the canvas and kind of painted around it in a pastel-y pink. It looks nice. Another interesting thing I've been doing is I've been painting this little antique dresser, pink and silver. Well, I don't think it's antique, it's most likely from the 70s or 80s, but it was originally beige, and now it's silver and pink, and I was going to do some touch-ups, and yeah, so here I am putting it down and opening up the paint and just doing some really cute touch-ups on it, making it look really pretty. I'm using Bear paint because that's what one of my favorite YouTubers, Kelly Eden, recommended. And then just touching up the parts that I messed up on, which there are a lot of. And then just painting away. So yeah, I was also really hot while filming these video clips for this video, and I'm pretty sure I've melted, and the camera lighting is great. So yeah. Touch-ups, touch-ups, touch-ups. Touch-ups, 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 trying to make it look good, but the sun was really hot and I was melting. Yeah, but it's gonna turn out great. Yeah, so yeah, okay. And I think I'll post a picture of the finished piece on Instagram, so you can check that out on my Instagram, which is in the description below. And yeah. Another fun thing I did is I took this old Chanel bottle that I got from an antique shop for about $7, and I filled it up with some Bath & Body Works perfume. So it looks very lovely. Yeah. I hope you liked that video. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I love you guys. My Instagram and Twitter are down below. And I hope you liked it. And yeah. I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing okay. I hope your start of your summer is great. So, yeah. Bye.